All right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin with your host, Tone Vays, coming to you live from what is referred to as a castle in Malta. This is a beautiful villa made of complete brick. I'm going to show you guys around in a minute. Maybe after we do some charts. Just having a laptop, there was no way for me to set up a desk here. And that camera is dangerously close to completely getting destroyed, but it's okay because I am flying back to the US tomorrow, and Black Friday sales will look to upgrade the camera that is already cracked. So it's on its last legs. All right, guys, let me do some charts first, and then I'll glance and see if there's any questions. And then I'll give you guys a little bit of a tour, though it may be a little bit challenging, but I'll do my best. All right, let's go to the charts. Oh, again, it's not letting me do. Why is it not letting me do that? What am I gonna dox if I share my entire monitor? Checking. That's fine. I'm not going to cause any major damage. Like sometimes it doesn't let me share application, and that's when things can get iffy on. Oh, my bandwidth is good. All right, here we go. Share monitor. This is our weekly chart. Our weekly chart is in a little bit of trouble with only one more day to go. Well, a day and a half to be exact. So, let me make sure that I'm live. I am. A day and a half to be exact, and that is a nasty looking candle. As you can see, we took out the Lucid SAR, which takes away a bullish element. We are about to close below a moving average. And we're about to flip on the MRI. A bigger pullback in the making, but we will stay patient and we will wait for one additional candle to decide if the weekly chart is really problematic. Here is the Consensio position trade chart. As you can see from this chart, we have pulled back our 100% bullish allocation. We are now at 75% bullish allocation, and we will stay here even though this is a beautiful rally and a nice looking candle. We are still below two moving averages, and both of those moving averages are declining. This candle has only 8 hours to go, and it will solidify an unfortunate candle that potentially can create a new swing low close and a new swing low. Daily chart. A daily chart has bounced back nicely. I was really kind of hoping this thing would just go down a little bit further into the 53 range over the next few days, giving us the perfect buy opportunity at an MRI buy, also at the MRI support line. Yesterday's rally was very strong, and therefore we have to consider that the low is in, but this rally has not yet mustered anything of significance. We are still below the 50-period moving average. We are below the consolidation zone. We are still in a negative count on the MRI, and even though we would need a new swing low close in the next few days in order to actually get to an MRI buy situation, I'm gonna not rush in to this market as of yet. We have been in our bullish positions, and I'm actually taking stuff off the table. Here's a short-term look. This is the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart ran right into a moving average, and over the last several hours has been pulling back down. Here's the 1-hour chart. The 1-hour chart does not look, it's not really interesting at the moment, so we will leave it at that. I'm going to briefly review how the other markets closed. I like the fact that the GBTC premium is getting close to negative 10%. So that means it's getting close to 0 or closer. Oil took a big turn down. Wow, look at that. Oil has made it to my pullback point. Let's see where it opens next week. I think oil is getting ready for a bounce, and it will probably trend back to the upside. But this has been the 4-candle correction we've been expecting. So if the next candle is a downward candle, then perhaps oil will keep going down. For now, all we know that oil hit an MRI top. It was a selling event, potentially a short trade. And now you have to reconsider that short trade, but this is a nasty candle that closed very poorly. So I am slightly leaning bearish to open next week in oil, but at the same time looking for a big recovery. That, of course, doesn't have to happen. Oil could keep going down, and then I would just wait for an MRI buy situation to act upon an oil trade. Gold continues to be in a breakout move, but it's not really screaming to the upside either. Not really much else to say. So I already see people in the comments. If the only thing you do on YouTube is scream, buy every single drop of $10 in Bitcoin, you're not very useful to your followers, okay? Yes, I think Bitcoin's going higher. No, I'm not jumping in because guess what? I've been in. If you haven't been in, you may want to buy the dip. You can see my position, and I've been in. I'm taking some off the table regardless of what my guess is on where Bitcoin's going to be at the end of the year. There's a big difference between randomly guessing numbers and actual trading. Those that have done actual trading successfully know the difference, others don't. You guys all need to make your own decisions. My trading positions are different than yours. If you follow my trading positions, you will probably lose a lot of money. If I follow your trading positions, I will lose a lot of money. This is why when people follow other traders, they're disappointed 99.9% of the time, because you need to learn how to trade and make your own decisions. When you follow other traders, there's very little good that can come from that, because everyone still has different views on the market. I don't know why it says that my content is made for kids, because it's not. So that's YouTube's mess up. Maybe I should check my video status thing. Anyway, here's the S&P 500. It is consolidating, getting ready for a breakout. This is a much safer trade of any market than buying a dip. Buying a dip is always dangerous. Buying a breakout is usually safe. It is significantly lower when you buy a breakout versus buying a dip, because you never know whether it is the final dip or not. Well, if this video is marked for kids, I shouldn't talk about Austria and its tyrannical view on, forcing people to vaccinate. I will never in my life visit Austria again for as long as I live, and add that to a list of several other countries like Australia and Canada. I wouldn't. I'm not even gonna fly through that country. I would never give their airlines a single penny of my money. I really don't understand why people watch this channel if they're just not interested in analysis. I guess you have way too much free time on your hands. I'm very bullish the S&P 500. That is a bullish chart, regardless as to why it's going up, inflation or actual innovation in the stock market. It doesn't matter to a trader because the chart is very, very bullish. Yeah, Europe is becoming a giant mess. It really is. I'm in Europe, but I'm leaving. I'm leaving tomorrow. Again, if you want to learn how to trade so you don't have to follow anyone's advice ever again for the rest of your life, you can check out the Tone Vays products and services. On-demand videos teach you how to trade. So you don't have to follow other traders and you can do it yourself. Those that choose not to educate themselves on how to trade are usually the people that complain the most about how bad trading is. Those that are interested in the MRI to analyze the markets can find that right here. And our conferences are going to go on sale very, very soon. What a frustrating live chat today. See, this is why I hate looking at live chat. Well, the bets are going to even out. I have two bets with the same person. One is that Bitcoin will be over 100K, which I'm probably going to lose. And two, that Joe Biden is not president on January 1st, 2024. So I'm probably going to win that. I'm kind of holding the laptop in my hands. I don't know if I really want to start looking at stocks. But if I am going to look at stocks, I'm going to look at it through this lens. JM. I think I need to relog in. I will do it the old school way. I don't want to dox anything again. I'll look at JMIA and then call it a day. I'll show you guys the view here. It's awesome. Oh, wow. This thing took a turn for the worse, huh? Oh, but look at that. It's on an MRI buy on a daily scale. That's promising. And on a weekly scale. Interesting. You have a daily and weekly MRI buys. I should tell my friends. This is, I want to see how it opens next week. This could be something. This could be something. I don't like this candle though. I'd give it a little bit more time. A little bit more time. All right, guys. I'm gonna stop the live. Not the live stream. I'm gonna stop the screen share so you can see where I am. I'm gonna move the camera over. Still following me. We're gonna put the camera smaller. We're gonna do something different here. I'm gonna set this. I can show you guys. Here we go. Let's see. Camera should still be following me. I'm on audio. And let me show you guys around. Hopefully it'll work. See how far it can track me as I go down the stairs. It's got the wide angle lens. Can you still track me? Yeah, I think so. See, I can't see what you guys are seeing on the screen. I should probably grab my phone and looked at it. So, but if the camera is, might be too far away. Maybe not. Hey, it is. There's a hot tub. Check the temperature. Oh yeah. Should be hotter though. Got up to 40. Boom, it's got like, there's a bedroom right next to the camera. There's like a hangout game room in there. A couple of more bedrooms upstairs. It's just a really, really cool spot. Wish I can tell you guys on a real tour, but not sure how we'll do that with the camera and the laptop. So I hope that looked cool on the YouTube show. Well, and a shout out to Adam Back, who I had dinner with last night and totally stole his sweatshirt. So the day before I left my at like a villa party, and I saw Adam Back, and he's wearing this bad boy. On the inside, it says, you can't see it, but it says, don't trust, verify. It's got a bunch of their logos on it. It's got promoting liquid. Man, there's going to be real blood on the streets if Trump runs in 2024. Good job, media. I really don't want to look at stocks right now. I'll look at one more. MAWA. I don't know what that is. Sorry. Hey guys, thank you all for watching. And I will see you all on the next. No, stop the screen share. All right. Later, guys. Oh yeah, that's the other bedroom. It's like the rooftop bedroom. There's an actual rooftop too. So it's a really, really cool place. All right, guys. Later.